Hi everyone, this book is Birds and Butterflies by Alice Chadwick. It is a Chinese version. The title in Chinese, the foreword is in Chinese. Fortunately, it's a coloring book without any words inside. Birds and buff, woodpeckers, butterflies, swans, more butterflies, dragonflies and kingfisher, ducks, the peacock, more kingfishers, puffins, carp and dragonflies, the bald eagle. If you think I'm going too fast, you can probably pause the video to look at the page clearly. Ducks, butterflies, you get the idea. Chicken and chicks, stork and babies. Moths, the hummingbird, feathers of all kinds, eggs of all sorts. This is parrots, butterflies, flamingos. I would certainly love to color this page. This is very nice. Look at the flowers. Penguins, blue jays, hats. Last but not least, the wise owl. My favorite page is the owl. We are coming to an end. Thank you very much. Goodbye.